Yes, the iPhone 16 series have finally launched in India, and we were the first one to witness the launch right there at the store. We were there at the Apple Arcade store and we saw a long queue for people wanting to buy the new iPhone 16 series. We saw the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro and AirPods 4, AirPods Max, and oh, the list is endless. You know, people were there to buy the smartphone and standing in the queue since 3 a.m. in the morning, and finally when the store opened at 8 a.m. they were there to buy the new iPhone till then. Yes, so let's just show you also how was the scenario there, what all we saw, and also the new products, the Apple iPhone 16 series and lots more.
You are here to buy iPhone, right?
Yes.
So which model you are looking for?
iPhone 16.
iPhone 16, only
Max.
16 Pro Max.
Max.
Okay, Pro Max, high budget, right? आप इससे पहले कौन सा फ़ोन इस्तेमाल
iPhone
करते थे?
13.
iPhone 13. ओके, और आपको क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है इस नए आईफोन से?
ऐसे ही देखते हैं अब क्या है इसमें, बस पसंद था तो ले लिया.
आपने मॉडल देखा क्या? ऑनलाइन तो आ गया, मतलब
ऑनलाइन नहीं देखा, अभी डायरेक्टली
features
परचेस
वगैरह।
कर रहा हूँ.
तो डायरेक्ट परचेस करने आए हैं।
I'm looking for iPhone 16 128.
120,
Black.
okay, nice. Or which model you are using before?
I'm using Android, that is Realme.
Acha, you were using Realme and direct shifting to the iPhone 16.
I have a iPhone 12,
So you
then I have
waited long.
switched. I have
Okay.
iPhone 12, then I have switched Android, then I am.
And what are the expectations for the iPhone 16?
Let's see how it's going.
Have you seen the phone online or somewhere?
Yeah, I have
else?
seen.
So you selected iPhone 16. Which one? Which model?
It's 128 black.
I'm looking for iPhone 16 Pro.
Okay, so you are going to buy Pro model for the iPhone 16.
yeah.
Which model you are using before?
I'm using currently iPhone 15 Pro.
Okay, you are. So why shifting to the 16?
Some pending gifts for my sister.
Oh, that's cool. So what are the expectations from iPhone 16
Nothing
Pro
much.
you have? Nothing.
No new improvements, just some cool camera features.
Okay, have you seen the
4K
phone?
120 FPS is the main.
That dial design for
Yeah.
the zoom in and zoom out camera. Have you seen the phone?
Yeah, I've seen
online? Are you happy? Your
Yes,
brother is
I
going
am.
to buy an iPhone 16 Pro for you.
Yes, it is my first phone.
Okay, that's great news. Direct iPhone 16 आपको मिलने वाला है.
Yes.